The word of the day is feedback. Feedback is a noun that is an evaluation of performance. So it could be positive or negative comments related to how someone is doing. It's pronounced with 2 syllables, feedback. Repeat, feedback. Great. So some examples would be, she got nothing but good feedback after her presentation. So she had nothing but good comments to come to her after she gave a presentation. He was scared of getting negative feedback after his performance. So after he did some type of performance, some type of show, he was scared, he was worried that he would get negative comments or negative feedback. He was happy to receive positive feedback from his boss at his recent annual evaluation. So at work, you often have a yearly evaluation where your supervisor or your boss gives you feedback on how you're doing your job. All right, well now it's your turn. How would you use feedback in a sentence of your own? Share your example in the comments below. This is a great way to practice these words right away and really lock them into your long-term memory. Also, please like, leave a comment, and hit that red subscribe button. And lastly, check out fluencyking.com. There you can get our free ebook on how to become fluent in English, and also check out our full English mastery course as well. The links for those are in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy practicing until next time. Bye!